you guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So about 2 weeks ago, I did try the Boho Goddess Braids, which came out cute. I'll link the video down below if you missed it. But as you can see, I have tried the Boho Goddess Twist, and you guys, it is just as cute as the braids. It took me a little bit less time to do, and I think it's cute. So just stay tuned to see all that I did to achieve this look. I'm just jumping right into it. I've washed and conditioned my hair already. I used the Camille Rose, is it Ginger Rinse shampoo, and Luster's Pink Shine and Hydrate hair mask. So I will link those two products down below. My hair was soft, clean, and just ready to be styled. But of course, y'all know I gotta go in with my Goddess Curls Divine Hair Elixir. I'm going to apply this to my scalp. It's going to help with dandruff, itchiness, dry scalp, which I definitely need since my scalp will be a little bit exposed with these twists. I'm just going to rub that on in with my fingers, and it's also great for soothing the scalp, promoting hair growth, and you can also use it on your actual hair strands to seal in moisture. So I will have that linked below as well. Go ahead and get your own. I do also have the rose infused version, which just gives even more added benefits. So now we're just gonna get right into this. I'm parting my hair from ear to ear, just using my nail. And there's a difference between braids and twists. You don't really have to make your parts super crisp and straight when you're doing twists, just because they poof up and puff up a bit more than braids do as they start to dry and are setting. So I didn't try to make everything super duper straight, even though they did kind of come out real straight just using my nails. So there's that. But just to throw that in there, you do not have to do super straight parts like you would with braids. So I just split my hair from ear to ear, then I split it again in half, so I have 2 rows of hair. So I am just going to spray on down my first section of hair with water. With the Goddess Braids or twists, you do not have to do it on wet hair if you don't want. You could do it on dry or stretched hair, but I just like working on wet hair. So I did that, and then I split my section in half so that I could easily detangle with my tangle teaser. And then I'm going to start adding some moisture. I'm just using one product. I'm using the Mielle Mango and Tulsi Nourishing Whipping Cream. Now I did post a review for this line not too long ago, probably a couple videos down, so I will also link that if you missed it. I loved this stuff, which is why I'm using it again. It's so softening, super moisturizing. The mango helps with moisture, and then the Tulsi, which is an herb, helps with maintaining like the balance and moisture in your scalp. So it's just really good, and it really defines my curls for this to be a cream. It's not too lightweight, not too heavy. It's just that perfect creamy consistency. And honestly, it kind of reminds me just a little bit of the Mielle, what is it called? Pomegranate and honey smoothie. Just a little bit, but you guys can see what the definition is looking like. It's looking good. So I'm going to repeat those steps on the other side before I begin twisting. And for me personally, I just recommend to use a product that defines the curls and moisturizes it, because you want those curly pieces that you leave out to be defined, or at least I do. It's all personal preference. So yeah. So now I am just going to 2-strand twist my hair about 5 times down, and then I'm going to take a strand of hair from one side of the twist and then repeat. So go down about 5-6 times, take another strand out, go down about 5-6 times, take a strand out, and then continue twisting to the ends. So for the back of my hair, I only took out 3 strands. Once I got closer to the middle or top, I started taking about 4, and then definitely in the front I was taking 4 to 5 pieces. However many pieces you want to take out is all up to you, the look you're going for, and etc. So I just wanted to share what I did. But yeah, I'm just going to 2-strand twist all the way down to the ends, and then I'm going to coil those pieces that I left out. And that is also optional as well. You can leave them out if you want, but I want a more defined look, so I just go in, finger coil it, and go into the next twist. So this row had 3 twists, and then the next row had 4. Let's just do it right. Oh, no. Let's just do it right. So after I finished those 2 rows, I parted my hair from ear to ear but around my crown area, and this is what it's looking like. Again, it's not super straight or perfect, but it's good enough. So I did part my 3rd row right here, and I'm gonna start doing my twist, you know, making sure it's moisturized, making sure it's detangled, taking out the pieces, and then going in and defining them. So I think I'm gonna be quiet now and kind of just let you guys watch. I think you guys get the gist of it. Literally the same concept as the braids, you just only have 2 strands because it's a twist. So yeah. Daddy's got it right here. Daddy's got it right here. About time for you to get it started. Daddy's got it right here. Daddy's got it right here. Last time, haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. But I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life, best life. Haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should, it's about time. But I'ma get mine, live my best life. Best life. Oh no, let's just do it right. So I'm going in with some eco style because I noticed some of my curls were not like getting defined like I wanted just with the cream. So obviously I was like, okay, let me use a gel to really get the definition that I want. So I just grabbed my eco because it was right in my face, and I'm just going to put that down the strands that I left out. I did opt for a side part this time rather than a middle part just because I like it better. And yeah, so I'm just going to continue running the eco down my hair, down the strands, and some other strands around my hair that I see that have a little bit of frizz. Then off camera, I'm going to do my edges. I'm going to diffuse my hair so that my hair is dry, and I'll show you guys the final look. Last time, haven't felt good in a long time. Think that I should So this is my completed look, guys. The Boho Goddess Twist. I loved the results. It came out so good. Took an hour less than the braids. The braids took me 3 hours or so, but this literally took me just over 2 hours. Like literally like 2 hours and 10 minutes. So real quick, real easy, real simple. The goddess braids lasted me almost 2 weeks. I took them out only because I was going on vacation, but they could have lasted longer. So this is a great protective style that will last. I know a lot of people were worried about the hairs that you leave out getting tangled. Mine didn't tangled. They did get a bit frizzy, but I feel like that's an easy fix. So yeah, I'm planning on rocking this for at least a week, but I'm gonna try to stretch it to 2. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I love this look. I'm loving keeping my hair protected. I don't know what else to say, but let me know your guys' thoughts. Will you be trying these goddess twists? Have you even tried the goddess braids? Let me know your guys' thoughts. I would love to know. But that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another one. Oh, and also I will have a takedown video for my goddess braids coming soon. So I'll see you guys in another video.